How about the 1969 Plymouth GTX hardtop, blue fire metallic, or B5 blue,
B5
as we
blue.
like to call it,
That's right.
over black. Rebuilt era correct 440 cubic inch V8, 6-pack induction, era correct 4-speed manual, Dana 60, sure grip axle, stunning performer, and a true GTX, and just a great car.
Love it.
Just a great car.
Muscle car.
Muscle car heaven.
Ooh.